ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलुक्
ऋलुक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔज्
ऐऔज्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणम्
ञमङणम्
झभै
झभै
घढदश्
घढधश्
जबगढदश्
जबगढदश्
खफ छठथ चटतौ
खफ छठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
अल्
अल्
अकुक विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऊपु उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गानां नासिका च
न्यामागानानां नसिका च
एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु
दैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त
ओष्ठम्
वामूलीयस्य जह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो
रामं भजे
रामो
राजमणिः
राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिघता निशाचरचमूः
रामेण
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय
तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानास्ति परायणं परन्तरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
तीतः अन्ति
तीतः अन्ति
सीतः थ
सीतः
मी वह मह
मी वह मह
ते इते अन्ते
इते अन्ते
से थे द्वे ये वहे महे
ये वहे महे
These are the pratyas for lat lakara present tense. Bhavati bhavatah bhavanti
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
bhavasi bhavatah bhavatha
भवसि भवतः भवतः
bhavami bhavavah bhavamah
भवामि भवावः भवामः
labhate labhete labhante
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
labhase labhete labhadve
लभसे लभेते लभद्वे
लभे लभामहे लभामहे
लभे लभावहे लभामहे.
The first one is bhu dhatu, which is parasmaipadi dhatu. Therefore, titaha anti sitaha ta mivaha maha. The pratyas are added to the dhatu, bhu dhatu, and the form will become bhavati bhavataha bhavanti, bhavasi bhavataha bhavata, bhavami bhavavaha bhavamaha. How it becomes, that is out of scope, not required now. But the pratyas you can see, titaha anti sitahata mivaha maha is there. That is derived, that is the pratyas. These forms are derived from the dhatu by adding these suffixes. Then the lab dhatu, which is atmanepadi dhatu, where you can see the atmanepadi pratyaya te, ite is there. You don't see it, but it is there. Ante, se, ite, dve, ye, vahe, mahe. What we chanted, it is there. Lab dhatu, atmanepadi dhatu. Therefore, atmanepadis pratyas are added, and therefore you get the forms labate, labhete, labhante, labhase, labhete, labhatve, labhe, labhavake, labhamahe. If you ask why can't we add parasmaipadi pratyaya to the atmanepadi dhatu, lab dhatu? No, you cannot add, because lab dhatu is atmanepadi dhatu. Only atmanepadi pratyas can be added. Similarly, why not atmanepadi pratyas be added to parasmaipadi dhatu? No, cannot be added, because the dhatu is parasmaipadi. Therefore, it will take only parasmaipadi pratyas. Lab dhatu being atmanepadi, it will take only atmanepadi pratyas. That's the rule. That is how it is. There are some dhatus which can take any of these pratyas. There are some dhatus. They are called ubhayapadi. They can take parasmaipadi pratyas as well as atmanepadi pratyas. For example, let us chant pach dhatu. Pach meaning to cook. Pachati, pachataha, pachanti.
Pachati, pachataha, pachanti.
You can chant pachasi, pachataha, pachatha.
Pachasi, pachataha, pachatha.
Pachami, pachavaha, pachamaha.
Pachami, pachamaha, pachamaha.
Pachati means he cooks. Aham pachami, I cook. Then pachate, pachete, pachante.
Pachate, pachete, pachante.
Pachase, pachete, pachadve.
Pachase, pachete, pachadve.
Pache, pachamahe, pachamahe.
Pache, pachamahe, pachamahe.
Yad dhatu, pach dhatu is both parasmaipadi and atmanepadi. It is called ubhayapadi. So therefore, it can take parasmaipadi as well as atmanepadi pratyas. Any pratyaya it can take. So
But how
pachati,
it is parasmati or atmanepadi?
which one?
No, any dhatu. How is there any rule to recognize whether
Yeah.
it is a parasmati?
Yes, that you cannot know it now. You have to know what the dhatu is, whether parasmaipadi or
Okay.
atmanepadi. You need to know, be familiar with that. There is no rule.
Oh, okay.
There is a dhatu pata, Panini Maharishi. He has mentioned the dhatus which are parasmaipadi and atmanepadi. It is
Okay.
mentioned. So that's all difficult. Now, at this stage, difficult. Later, when you grow and learn advanced,
Okay.
the topic becomes
Yeah.
advanced later, then you will understand why it is. It's a long way to go. Now we have to be familiar with the forms of the dhatu. By the form, you have to infer.
Mhm.
Dhatu is parasmaipadi or atmanepadi.
Yes.
Usage only you can infer.
Oh.
Now, pachati and pachate, there is no difference. Both mean the same. Only the pratyas are different. Pachati, pratama purusha ekavachanam, parasmaipadi, pachate, pratama purusha ekavachanam. Meaning wise, there is no difference. Same. But dhatus are classified into parasmaipadi and atmanepadi and ubhayapadi. Pach dhatu being ubhayapadi, it can take any of the pratyaya. Parasmaipadi, if you take, it becomes pachati, pachataha, pachanti. If you take atmanepadi, pachate, pachete, pachante, the meaning is same. Meaning doesn't change. So pachati is equal to pachate, pachataha is equal to pachete, pachanti is equal to pachante. Just know, anyway, this atmanepadi dhatus we are not going to see now. We are interested only in parasmaipadi dhatus. Later we will introduce atmanepadi. Okay, now let us continue. You need to know many dhatus. The last class, I introduced verbal form, Kriyapadam. And I mentioned the pratyaya, the ti, not only ti. Ti means ti is an upalakshana. Ti stands for all the pratyas, the thing pratyas. It conveys a lot of information. It conveys a lot of information. Ti specifies who is the doer of the kriya. And what prayoga is that? Kartari or karmani? And what lakara is there? Lakara or past tense, lang lakara or future tense, etc. Everything can be inferred in the pratyaya. And what purusha is and vachanam. All these are noble from the pratyaya. That's why pratyayas are important. Now let us learn some of the dhatus. Already we have seen, it's not new. Patati, gacchati, khadati, patati, vadati, vasati, namati, dhavati, bhramati, karoti, gayati, dhyayati, pashyati, pibati, charati. All these are parasmaipadi dhatus. Therefore, you see the pratyati added to the verbal roots. We have to practice. We have to practice for all the purusha, all the vachanam, all these dhatus. It's your homework. You have to practice. What is the practice? Suppose you want to say, I read, aham patami, without any time gap. You should be able to add the pratyaya until the form. Aham patami, tau patataha, te patanti, vayam patamaha, avam patavaha. So like that you have to be able to say the form of the Kriyapadam matching with the subject. Okay, let us try one and you can practice now. So let me say this. You can repeat. Saha patati,
Saha patati,
tau patataha,
tau patataha,
te patanti,
te pathanti,
tvam patasi,
tvam pathasi,
yuvam patataha,
yuvam patatha,
yuyam patatha,
yuyam patatha,
aham patami,
aham patami,
avam patavaha,
avam patavaha,
vayam patamaha.
vayam patamaha.
This is what you have to practice for these dhatus. Now, Deepika, you try gacchati.
Ayam patat. No. You have to start with ayam only, no?
Your choice. You can do ayam or you can use tat shabda or idam shabda, Rama or Krishna, your choice. You can do gacchati, goes.
Oh, okay. Ayam gacchati. No, I don't get it, Guruji. I think I need to practice that.
Okay, next person, Akanksha.
जी गुरुजी. सह गच्छति, तौ गच्छतः, ते गच्छन्ति, त्वं गच्छसि, युवां गच्छथः, यूयं गच्छथ, अहं गच्छामि, आवां गच्छावः, वयं गच्छामः.
Yes. Next one also you can do. Khadati.
सह खादति और सा खादति, ते खादतः, ताः खादन्ति.
Good.
त्वं खादसि, युवां खादथः, यूयं खादथ, अहं खादामि, आवां खादावः वयं खादामः
त्वं किं करोषि?
अहं खादामि
Yes, that's what it is. What do you do? Tvam kim karoshi? Aham kadami. Aham gacchami. Aham patami. Vayam kim kurmaha?
आवां
Vayam.
sorry वयं खादामः
We eat. Yes. What do we do? We eat. Good. Next person. Tomaji. Patati.
एतत् पतति, एते पततः, एतानि पतन्ति, त्वं पतसि, युवां पतथः, यूयं पतथ, अहं पतामि, आवां पतावः, वयं पतामः।
Good. Continue. Vadati.
वदति, एषा वदति, एते वदतः, एताः वदन्ति, त्वं वदसि, युवां वदथः, यूयं वदथ, अहं वदामि, आवां वदावः, वयं वदामः।
Good. Aham vadhami dravinam vishmate supravye yajamana yachundhate. In Devi Suktam it is Aham vadami. I tell. Okay, continue. Next one also.
वसति, एषः वसति, एतौ वसतः, एते वसन्ति, त्वं वससि, युवां वसथः, यूयं वसथ, अहं वसामि, आवां वसावः, वयं वसामः।
Good. Next person. This is not difficult, easy. Already Sahataute and all these things you have practiced. Now with the Kriya Padam, we need to add and Umaji, Namati.
Yes, Guruji. Keshavaha namati. Keshav.
Keshava, Etau.
Etau. Keshav. Namataha.
Namataha.
Etau. Etau namataha. Ete namanti. Tvam namasi. Yuvam namataha. Yuyam namata. Aham namami. Avam namamaha. Namavaha. Vayam namamaha.
Next one also.
Okay. Ramaha. Ramaha davati. Ramau davataha. Ramaha davanti. Tvam davasi. Yuvam davataha. Yuyam davata. Aham davami. Avam davavaha. Vayam davamaha.
Continue.
Krishnaha brahmati. Krishnau brahmataha. Krishnaha brahmanti. Tvam brahmasi. Yuvam brahmataha. Yuyam brahmata. Aham brahmami. Avam brahmavaha. Vayam brahmamaha.
You two jump. How do you say in Sanskrit?
Tvam.
You two. Bivachana.
Okay. Yuvam. Okay. I want to read this. What is this?
You two jump.
Okay. Yuvam davataha.
Good. That is what the translation we are doing. So
Okay.
you need to do abhyasa, practice like this. So that when you read a sentence, you will be able to translate and you will be able to talk. You will be able to speak. If you know this, if you practice this, you would be able to speak simple Sanskritam. Akam kadami, akam patami, akam gacchami, avam kadavaha, tvam kadasi, yuvam kadataha. That is why this abhyasa is required. Matching with the subject, the Kriya Padam should be used. It should become natural. That is why this practice is required. Please do, all of you, later can practice this. Next
Yes,
one,
sir.
Karoti. Karoti, let us chant. That means you need to memorize the forms of the Kru Dhatu. You can repeat. Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti.
Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti.
Karoshi, Kurutaha, Kurutha.
Karoshi,
Karoshi,
kurutah,
kurutah,
kurutha.
Karomi, Kurvaha, Kurmaha.
Karomi, kurvaha,
kurvaha,
kurmaha.
Karoti. Karoti means
To do,
To do.
does. Karoti is
Yes.
he does.
he does.
Kaha karoti, Ramaha karoti. Krishnaha karoti. Karoti. Kurutaha. It is dvivachanam. It is totally different. So don't think it is similar to patadatu, bhavat, patati, patataha, etc. We read. Not like that. The form is totally different. Karoti. Kurutaha. Kurvanti. Then karoshi. Okay, karoti. Ramaha karoti. Ramau kurutaha.
kurutah,
Ramaha
Kurutha,
kurvanti.
kurvanti. Bhagavachanam, therefore it is
kurvanti.
kurvanti. Karoti does. Ramaha kim karoti? Ramaha khadati. Right? Ramaha dhavati. Ramaha namati. Kamokarshit. Kamat karoti naham karoti kamat karta naham karta kamat karagita. This is a Kamokarshit mantra. In that karoti, Kamaha akarshit, Kamaha karoti, Kama does.
Desire.
It's a mantra. So, karoti. The mantra is there in Mahanarayana Upanishad. So, karoti, it is, you see the form. Important dhatu. Very important dhatu, Kru dhatu. Bhajagovindam, Bhajagovindam, Govindam Bhajamodamate, Samprate Sannigite Kali, Nahi Nahi Rakshati, Dukring Karane. That Dukring, that is dhatu. Dhatu is Kru dhatu. That is what Shankaracharya mentions. Dukring. The meaning of the dhatu is Karane, in the sense of doing. Kru, to do. How do you know Kru, to do? Because it is given in the Dhatu Patha. Dhatu Patha is a grantha, is a book which contains a list of dhatus which Panini Maharishi he had listed. One dhatu is Kru dhatu. The meaning is Karane, in the sense of doing, Dukring Karane. Shankaracharya mentions the dhatu itself in the shloka. Okay, so the form is different. Karoti, different from patati, etc. Yes, somebody is asking some question. What? You have any doubt?
No.
No, Guru.
Okay. So, karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti. Then tvam, karoshi. Tvam kim karoshi? Aham kadami, patami, davami. Kim karoshi? Yuam kim kurutaha? You two, what do you two do? Yuyam kim kuruta? What you all do? Aham karomi, I do. Avam kurvaha. We too do. Vayam kurmaha. We all do. Okay. So let us know the forms, very important. Okay, then Atmanipadi form also it is there. Atmanipadi form. This is Ubhayapadi. Like Pachadhatu I said, which is Ubhayapadi. Similarly, this Dhatu also Ubhayapadi. Therefore, You can just chant. We need not, we will not use this now, but you can just chant and if possible remember. Later we will see. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate.
Kurute,
Kurvate, kurvate,
kurvate,
kurvate,
Kurushe, kurvate, kurudve.
kurushe, kurvate,
kurvate,
kurudve,
Kurudve. Kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe.
kurve, kurvahe,
kurvahe,
kurmahe,
Krudatu, ubepadidatu. Therefore, it can take any suffix, any pratyaya, parasmapadi or atmanipadi. But when do you use parasmapadi, atmanipadi? That we will see later. But it is ubeyapadi dhatu. Similarly, asdhatu. Understand asdhatu? Asti, staha, santi.
asti, staha, santi,
anti,
Asi, staha, stha.
asi, stha, stha,
Asmi, swaha, smaha.
asmi, swaha, smaha.
Yes. Now, coming back here, das karoti is there. Subbalakshmi ji, gayati, he can do.
सः गायति तौ गायतः ते गायन्ति त्वं गायसि युवां गायतः यूयं गायत अहं गायामि आवां गायावः वयं गायामः
Okay, continue. Next one also.
सा धावति ते धावतः ताः धावन्ति त्वं धावसि युवां धावतः यूयं धावत अहं ध्यायामि आवां ध्यायावः वयं ध्यायामः पश्यति also?
Next person. No. Next person will do. Priya ji, you can do the next one.
सः पश्यति तौ पश्यतः ते पश्यन्ति त्वं पश्यसि युवां पश्यतः यूयं पश्यत अहं पश्यामि आवां पश्यावः वयं पश्यामः नेक्स्ट वन आल्सो जी
Yes, yes, continue.
पिबति अयं पिबति इमौ पिबतः इमे पिबन्ति त्वं पिबसि युवां पिबतः यूयं पिबत अहं पिबामि आवां पिबामः वयं पिबावः
No, no, you are changing. Avam pibhavaha vayam pibhamaha.
सॉरी जी आवां पिबावः वयं पिबामः
Continue, next one.
चरति सः चरति तौ चरतः ते चरन्ति त्वं चरसि युवां चरतः यूयं चरत अहं चरामि आवां चरावः वयं चरामः
Yes. Is it difficult?
नो जी
Practice. Okay, next one. This you will read. Deepika ji can read and translate.
Yes, yes, Guruji.
Simple.
Ajah gachati. Goat goes. Ajagarah khadati. Snake eats. Adhyapakah namati. Teacher reads. Anuja dhavati. Younger sister runs. Suta khadati. Daughter eats. Amba vadati, mother speaks. Agraja dhyayati, elder sister meditates. Phalam patati, fruit falls. Netram pashyati, eyes looks.
Okay.
Guruji, dhavati means jumps and runs both.
Yes.
Okay.
The next one. I've given the dhatu and different forms. Already we have done. You can just read. Akankshaji, you can read.
जी गुरुजी. रामचंद्रः नमति, सः नमति, एषः नमति, सीता नमति, सा नमति, एषा नमति. Should I read further,
Yes, you
Guruji?
can continue. Yes.
सिंहः गर्जति, सः गर्जति, एषः गर्जति. विमला गर्जति, सा गर्जति, एषा गर्जति.
Continue.
दशरथः वदति, सः वदति, एषः वदति. कैकेयी वदति, सा वदति, एषा वदति.
The first one line is Pullinga, second line is Strilinga.
जी गुरु.
Just to show that Kriya Padam doesn't change with the Linga. Okay. Continue.
छात्रः पठति, सः पठति, एषः पठति. छात्रा पठति, सा पठति, एषा पठति. जनकः खादति, सः खादति, एषः खादति. माता खादति, सा खादति, एषा खादति.
Good. Next one, Anupamaji. I've given the noun and the Kriya Pada. So you have to make a sentence, simple sentence. Ajaha meaning goat. Charati meaning moves. So goat moves, translation would be Ajaha
चरति.
Charati. Similarly, yes.
बालः खादति, कुक्कुरः धावति, अध्यापकः वदति, बालिका पठति, महिला वसति, छात्रा करोति, शाखा पतति, मित्रं पिबति, आम्रं पतति, भार्या गायति, जिह्वा वदति, सूकरः खादति, सेवकः नमति.
So you know the meaning. The translation you can easily do. English meaning is there for both the noun and the verb. So simple. So like that's what we are doing. That's what we are translation we did before, simple translation. So later we will drop English. We can just read Samskrita passages and understand. So we can see Charati. The subject is Ajaha. If it is Charami, the subject becomes Aham Charami. So like that. So these dhatus you need to remember. Please remember the forms of the dhatu. Dhatu list you will see it will get enlarged slowly. So many dhatus I will introduce. So you need to be familiar with the dhatus. Now another set of dhatus you can see. Next person. Each one of you can read and derive and tell the forms for the dhatu in all the Purusha and Vachana. Jivati, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Jivati lives. Atati wanders.
No, just Jivati, Jivataha, you tell the forms.
Oh, okay. Sheila Jivati. Sheila Jivataha. Sheilaha Jivanti. Tvam Jivasi. Yuvam Jivataha. Yuyam Jivata. Next, Aham Jivami. Avam Jivavaha. Vayam Jivamaha.
Okay, next person, Subbalakshmi ji. Atati.
सा अटति ते अटतः ताः अटन्ति त्वम् अटसि युवाम् अटतः यूयम् अटत अहम् अटामि आवाम् अटतः
Avam.
वयम्
Attavaha.
sorry आवाम् अटावः वयम् अटामः एषः
Next person. Each one of you do one. Priyaji.
सा अच्छति ते अच्छतः ताः अच्छन्ति त्वम् अर्चसि युवाम् अच्छतः यूयम् अच्छत अहम् अर्चामि आवाम् अर्चावः वयम् अर्चामः
Next person, Deepika ji.
Miss.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kathayati tells.
सः कथयति
Tau.
कथयतः ते कथयन्ति
Yes.
त्वं कथयसि युवां कथयतः यूयं कथयथ अहं कथामि
Kathayami.
अहं कथयामि आवां कथायवः and वयं कथयामः
Kathayamaha. Akanksha ji.
जी गुरुजी बालकः क्रन्दति बालकौ क्रन्दतः बालकाः क्रन्दन्ति त्वं क्रन्दसि युवां क्रन्दथः यूयं क्रन्दथ अहं क्रन्दामि आवां क्रन्दावः वयं क्रन्दामः
Good. Anupama ji.
कः नयति कौ नयतः के नयन्ति
Good.
त्वं नयसि युवां नयथः यूयं नयथ अहं नयामि आवां नयावः वयं नयामः
Yes. Next person, Maji.
Yes, Guruji. रामः पृच्छति रामो पृच्छतः रामाः पृच्छन्ति त्वं पृच्छसि युवां पृच्छतः यूयं पृच्छत नेक्स्ट अहं पृच्छामि आवां पृच्छावः वयं पृच्छामः
Next person, Subbalakshmi ji.
एषा पाठयति एतौ
Esha,
पाठयतौ
you said. Esha, ete.
एषः पाठयति
Hmm.
एतौ पाठयतौ एषा एते पाठयते
Etau patayatah, not patayatau.
पाठयतौ
Not yatau.
पाठयौ
Patayau. Patayati, patayatah. Patati,
Patayat.
patatah, same thing. Etau patayatah.
पाठयतः ओके एता त्वं पाठयसि एताः पाठयन्ति
Patayanti, yes.
त्वं पाठयसि त्वं पाठयसि युवां पाठयतः यूयं पाठयत अहं पाठयामि पाठयत अहं पाठयामि आवां पाठयावः वयं पाठयामः सारी पाठयामः
Priyaji.
Yes, ji. रमा अनुगच्छति रमे अनुगच्छतः रमाः अनुगच्छन्ति त्वम् अनुगच्छसि युवाम् अनुगच्छतः यूयम् अनुगच्छत अहम् अनुगच्छामि आवाम् अनुगच्छावः वयम् अनुगच्छामः.
Okay, good. Next person. You can know the meaning of this jivati, atati, archati, katayati, patayati. Patayati teaches. Patati, patayati. Patati reads, patayati teaches, causing to read. Krandati, cries, nayati, pruchati, anugachati. Meaning also you need to know. Anugachati follows. Next one, Deepika ji. Nrityati, dance.
Yes, Guruji. Sa nrityati te nrityatah taha nrityanti tvam nrityasi yuvam nrityatah yuyam nrityatha aham nrityami avam nrityamapah vayam
Yatyavaha.
and vayam nrityamaha.
Yes, the forms here and all should be at your fingertips. Sagataute, aham, avam, vayam, tum, yuvam, yuyam.
Yes.
Next one, Akanksha ji.
Yes, Guruji. Vidushakah hasati, vidushakau hasatah, vidushakaha hasanti. Tvam hasasi, yuvam hasatah, yuyam hasatha. Aham hasami, avam hasavah, vayam hasamaha.
Samyak asti. Anupama ji. Patati.
इयं विस्मरति इमे विस्मरतः इमाः विस्मरन्ति त्वं विस्मरसि युवां विस्मरतः यूयं विस्मरथ अहं विस्मरामि आवां विस्मरावः वयं विस्मरामः.
Samyak. Next one.
Guruji, Nayati is brings and leads both.
Yes.
Okay.
Next one, next person. Who's the next person? Umaji, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Padmanabha shalayati. Padmanabho shalayataha. Padmanabaha shalayanti.
Who is Padmanabha?
Padmanabha means
Okay.
I like God, Perumal.
Perumal washes. Okay.
Tvam shalayasi yuvam shalayataha yuyam shalayatha aham shalayami avam shalayavaha vayam shalayamaha.
Next person. Subbalakshmi ji.
अध्यापकः चिन्तयति अध्यापकौ चिन्तयतौ अध्यापकाः
Chintayatau, no, you are saying the same mistake. Chintayataha.
चिन्तयतः
Overlap.
पठति पठतः चिन्तयतः and अध्यापकाः चिन्तयन्ति त्वं चिन्तयसि युवां चिन्तयतः यूयं चिन्तयत अहं चिन्तयामि आवां चिन्तयावः वयं चिन्तयामः.
Yes. Yajnapriya ji.
Yes, ji. कृष्णः
Chalayati.
चालयति कृष्णः चालयति कृष्णौ चालयतः कृष्णाः चालयन्ति त्वं चालयसि युवां चालयतः यूयं चालयत
It is
Aham.
yuvam, not yuvam. Okay.
sorry ji यूयं चालयत
No, no, yuvam I'm saying. You too, dvivachanam. Yuvam, not yuvam, not dirgha. Okay.
oh युवां चालयतः अहं चालयामि आवां चालयावः वयं चालयामः.
Tvam kim chalayasi? What do you
Kim
drive?
कार्यानं
Karayanam chalayami. Aham karayanam
चालयामि.
chalayami. Okay. Now, translation.
Niji.
Start from the beginning. Deepika, you can do. Rama lives.
Rama lives. Ramaha Jivati. Driver drives.
Rama, it is reads, not lives. You see the answer there?
Reads.
Huh?
Rama. Okay.
No, do you see the answer? The screen.
Yes, sir. Good. Faintly.
Yes, yes. Ramaha Patati. Okay.
Okay, it's not difficult. You can see the answer in the right the screen itself. Okay.
Driver drives.
Hmm.
So driver Chalakaha Chalak
Chalayati. Just now we read.
Okay, it is there. Yeah. Chalakaha chalayati. Police protects. Arakshakaha rakshati.
Arakshaka rakshati. Akankshaji.
Ji Guruji. Krishna laughs. Krishnaha hasati. Cobbler washes. Charmakaraha prakshalayati.
Shalayati, prakshalayati. Both are okay.
Dancer dances. Nataha nrityati.
Anupamaji.
Goat wanders. Ajaha atati. Mother cries. Mata krandati or rodati.
Krandati you can use. Roditi I used here, but it is little different. Okay.
Father brings. Pita nayati. Anayati.
Brings is there, therefore anayati. Nayati, he takes or leads. Anayati, he brings. Taking is nayati, bringing is anayati. Suppose if I ask you to bring a glass of water, Tvam kripaya jalam anayatu. Anayatu, bring. Anayati takes. Nayati takes. Anayati, bring. Okay. This as well as previously gachati, anugachati.
Chati.
Similarly, vismarati. Smarati means forget. We is not required. Even we is there, the meaning doesn't change. Vismarati, we is. Similarly, kshalayati, prakshalayati. Pra is you see that. You see the pra there. These are called upasarga. Prefix. In English, we have prefix. Stand is there. Understand. Under is prefix, right? We have many prefixes in English also. Underground. So that prefix, reduplication, overlook, all are prefixes. Similarly, Sanskritam also we have prefixes. It's called upasarga. When you add upasarga, the meaning of the dhatu, sometimes you may see the changes, like anayati changes, anugachati changes, whereas prakshalayati doesn't change. There, kshalayati or prakshalayati, both mean the same. But here you can see the meaning of the dhatu completely changes. Nayati takes, anayati brings.
Okay, Guruji. Yeah.
Next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Duhita Prichati.
Daughter asks. The
Daughter asks.
translation is
Daughter asks. Duhita Prichati. Teacher teaches. Adhyapakaha Patayati. Sister follows. Anuja Anugachati.
Yes, Y is younger sister. Subbalakshmi.
Agraja hasati. Lekakaha vismarati. Chitrakaraha returns. Agachati. Okay.
Gachati goes. Agachati returns. You see the meaning of the dhatu changes with the prefix upasarga. Agachati, agachataha, agachanti. You can do like that. Okay. Fine. Good. So you need to practice. You can take this and practice. Idam, shabda, ayam, etc. The forms are there. Then all the kriya padams are there. You can practice. Take this exercise and do the practice. Then the next one is exercise. For this exercise, next class we will do this. You need to remember these dhatus and have a little bit of vocabulary. not much vocabulary, little. So please remember the dhatus, whatever we are saying, the forms. So that we will do the translation in the next class. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Any doubts here? You can ask.
No, Guruji.
Yes. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Wish you all happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Guruji.
Happy New Year.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyawad.
Happy New Year, Guruji.
Guruji, can you send this materials, Guruji?
This I have sent, I think, before.
No, Ji, up to that.
Okay, I'll do it.
Yes, Ji, thanks. Ji.
Thank you.
You can
Thank you.
read this book in advance and come and be prepared. So it'll be easy.
Yes.
So that when we read in the class, it'll be easy. It's simple. Material
Yep.
is the material not simple to follow?
Yeah, it
Yes,
is.
Guruji.
It's simple.
It is easy.
Okay, does anyone have difficulty in following the material? Is it's presented and the other information I give in the class over what the form and others. But the material you can easily read. So when you come prepared to the class, it'll be easy. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, Guruji.
I'll send this PDF file.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Ji.
Practice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.